take a flat straight blade screwdriver and just take these covers off. Just underneath there, right there. Take a 7mm socket, take the 2 screws out. You can use a magnet to grab it if you need to. Just grab the assembly and slide it forward. It's a little pin right there. It may be a little more difficult to pull it off. Sometimes they're not that easy. Disconnect the connector right here, push down, and slide it off. Got the new assembly. You can replace the bulbs. Normally they come with test bulbs. Just twist to the left, slide the socket out, and then to pull the bulb out, just slide it out. This bulb is a 7443, and slide it back in, into the socket. Slide the socket in, twist to the right. To take this socket out, just twist to the left, slide it out, grab the bulb, pull it out. This is a 194 bulb. Slide it in just like that. Slide the socket back in place and twist to the right. Line the connector up and lock it down and line that pin up. That's going to go right in that grommet. And just push it in place and put the 2 screws in. Get them both started first and snug them down, not too tight. Take the 2 caps, they go on the same way the other ones were. There's a little retainer right there that's going to go through that hole right there. And do the same for the other one.